In this video, I'm going to show you my Pinterest account update, which is a brand new account which I created while running this Pinterest affiliate marketing series just 1 month back. I'm going to show you where this account is standing right now. Also, I'm going to show you one Pinterest mistake you must avoid, which can easily suspend your account. And if you're first time here, do subscribe my channel called Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday. Subscribe my channel and put the bell notification right away right now. And do not forget to smash the like button of this video, because this is a free traffic. You don't need a website, you don't need a blog. Pinterest is an amazing platform to get lot of free traffic. With that said, let's begin this. So if you're my subscriber, you know that this is the account which I used it to run this Pinterest series. So if you're looking for free traffic, promoting an affiliate offer without a blog and website, I think Pinterest is an amazing platform. So you must watch this series which can help you. So here you can see these are the few boards. I have almost like 9 boards right now. You can see these are some of the 9 boards. So recently I came up with 2 boards. Okay, this is a very new boards, but these are the 9 board which I was using from a long time. I have a planning to bring more boards, right? Relevant boards. As well as here you can see I have posted only 175 pins. Okay, that means only 5 pins I'm posting in a day. So here I use the same formula which I shared you in the series, 90 to 95% of content, so that I can provide values to the user of Pinterest, as well as 5 to 10% of affiliate promotion. So I have not promoted any product till now, but I'm focusing more to build with the content, 90 to 95% of the content. That's what I was using here. So if you can see, I also create my own pins. Here you can see these are few of my own pins which I create, which is also driving a good traffic to me right now. Here you can see one of the pin here got like 300 views and 9 link clicks and 1 saving here, which is going here good. So you can schedule your pin over here. Okay, so I'm mixing up with, if I'm posting like 5 pins in a day, I'm making sure at least I'm posting 1 pin by my own, okay, fresh pin, because for the fresh pin as well as the rich pin is only going to drive the traffic to your account. So let's get into the overview of the account here. So here you can see, so if I'm going to select this date from here to 30 days, in the last 30 days, so this was the impression you are seeing. But more than impression, the most important thing is the engagement. This engagement and this audience engagement are the key. Okay, anybody can say that they have a lot of right impressions here. Okay, but the thing is, like, the most important thing is your engagement as well as your link click. So if I go here like monthly engaged audience, which is very, very important. So it's growing, like in last 30 days, growing great. So this is what I was looking for, right? Monthly engagement here. And the most important thing is like engagement. The more the engagement you have in your pin, right, as well as your board and pin, then more the chances there will be a link clicks. So that is the reason you have to post that kinds of like images and content, rich content there. As well as, guys, the most important thing is this one right here. You can see link clicks, which is little bit down here, going up and down and up and down. Okay, this is very important because of my health issues, right, I'm not able to post. So I'm not able to maintain that one right straight line. I want that it should go like straight, right, but it is a lot of up and down here. So if you can see here, I just bought 150 link click, which is very, very less, by the way. But next 2 months I will target to bring at least like 500 to 1000 link clicks, because this is very, very important. Okay, not the monthly views. Anybody can say that I have a monthly views of this and that, but the real fact is, like, more the link clicks, right, there will be a chances of affiliate sale. And also if you go and see the audience inside, so this is your total audience inside, where you can know that from where you're driving the traffic, gender, right, age, as well as the country you're driving the traffic. Okay, this is what I want, right? Most of these tier 1 countries are giving me traffic. So right now, guys, this account is on this stage here, and one of the biggest mistake which you have to avoid right now is posting or pinning more duplicate pin. So you have to avoid pinning or post a duplicate pin. So what is a duplicate pin here? So this is one of the blog posts which I'm showing from Tailwind, which is a tool which I use to schedule post in the Pinterest that I'm going to cover in some other video. So they have an amazing blog here which is defining what is fresh pin and duplicate pin. So here you can see, first you have to understand what is fresh pin, because more you're going to post like fresh pin, more you're going to get like traffic here. So a fresh pins are defined by Pinterest as a image or video have not seen before, because Pinterest is a guided search engine for visual content, guys. So that is the reason more you're going to post your own images and video, that will bring you more link click, by the way, more impression, by the way. You can create several images that link to the same blog post. For example, guys, this is one of the blog posts. Okay, for this one URL, you can create several images and you can post to the relevant board, only relevant board. So if you create a new images and video for that same URL, that will be considered as a fresh pin here. So you can create several images that link to the same blog post page or product listing, and each of those would be fresh when you save to Pinterest for the first time here. Okay, so now you have to understand what is not a fresh pin, and that is pinning the same image and changing the pin title, pin description, or alter text. So many times people will say download this image and video and repost it. Do not do this, guys. Do not follow them. Create your own pin. Canva is free. I already showed you in the series how to create images in video. You can create it. Create your own image. Come up with your own title here, description here, hashtag here, which is going to bring you more traffic. And also making small changes to the images already been pinned. Okay, so you're going to get this image and you will do the same. You will recreate this image, going to make some changes, little changes in this image, and you're going to try to post again on that. Okay, for example, shifting your background image, a new pixel, moving your logo. This is not called as a fresh pin. The key is that the image must appear new and fresh to pin. So on the other side, guys, what is a duplicate pins? A duplicate pin are pin with an exact image URL combination that has already been pinned to Pinterest before by you or anyone else. For example, this URL has this image. So you are like using the same URL, posting the same image. It is not a fresh pin. That can also be considered as a duplicate pin. So if you're going to post your duplicate pin, guys, more, you're ultimately leading your account to suspension. Okay, you will lose your account sooner or later. Basically, if Pinterest has seen the image before, then it would not be considered as a fresh. So these are the things, guys, which you can do unknowingly, because generally we are not doing with our blog and website. We are saving more other people's pin. That is the reason I will recommend you to create your own pins. If you're posting 5 times in a day, guys, like I'm posting 5 times, so I'm making sure I'm posting other people's post, saving other people's pin, rich pins, as well as also I create my own pin. This will help you to retain or keep your account always fresh, new, and you can grow your account for selling affiliate product. Hope you got value from this video. If smash the like button right away right now and subscribe my channel. And before you go, I'm going to recommend you to watch this Pinterest series video, which will take you to 3 or 4 more videos which will guide you how you can do affiliate marketing with Pinterest promoting your affiliate products.